What is the meaning of usufructuary? I'm sorry if I cannot pronounce it properly. Recently, I was writing a blog for a client explaining different types of mortgage loans, and one of the types that I found was usufructuary mortgage loan. Since I had never heard of the word or had never come across it, I thought there might be many people not knowing it. I decided to make a video explaining the meaning because I needed to do lots of reading to understand what it means. The word usufructuary is made up of two Latin words, usus and fructus. In legal terms, the word usus means the right to use another person's property in its current form without modifying it or harming it. Fructus means, as the name may ring a bell, enjoying the fruits of the property. Here is what happens. You need money. You have land but you don't have money. You approach someone who has money but no land, or maybe less land, or maybe he has land as well as money but wants more land to work on. Anyway, you approach someone who can give you money. In exchange for the money, you give that person your land for a period of time. As long as the person does not harm your land, he can use your land in any manner. He can grow a harvest, he can set up a factory, he can do whatever he wants to do with the land as long as he doesn't change its nature, its boundaries, or he doesn't harm it in any manner. This is called usufructuary. The good thing about taking usufructuary loan is you don't need to return the money. There is no interest, there is no EMI, there is no monthly installment. In exchange for the money, the other person gets to use your land to make profit, to enjoy the fruits of the land. Once the usufructuary period is over, your land is returned to you. It is not just land. A usufructuary partnership can be set for any type of property that can be used fruitfully. For example, if you have a vehicle, you can give the person that vehicle in exchange for the money that you need, and then that person can use the vehicle in whichever manner he wants as long as he doesn't harm the vehicle. How is usufructuary loan different from the usual loan when you use your property to get the loan? When you get a loan against your property, you submit your papers to the lender but the property remains with you. The other person gets the property only when you fail to pay your installments. But in the case of usufructuary, you give the land or the property to the other person to use to make money. Another big difference is the money that you have taken, you don't need to return that. So I hope you have understood the meaning of usufructuary. Do leave your comments in the comment section if you have found this video informative. Like this video, subscribe to my channel or click the bell icon to receive instant notifications.